The top 10 cities to live in Idaho can vary depending on personal preferences and factors such as cost of living, job opportunities, outdoor recreation, and cultural amenities. However, here are 10 cities in Idaho that consistently rank highly in various quality of life indices. Number 1. Boise. The state capital offers a thriving downtown, a range of outdoor activities, and a relatively low cost of living. With population of 240,380. Number 2. Meridian. Located just outside Boise, Meridian is known for its family-friendly atmosphere and growing economy. With a population of 114,161. Number 3. Coeur d'Alene. Situated on a beautiful lake in the northern part of the state, Coeur d'Alene is a popular tourist destination and a great place for outdoor enthusiasts. With a population of 53,932. Number 4. Idaho Falls. This city in eastern Idaho offers access to world-class outdoor recreation and a growing economy, with a low cost of living. With a population of 62,888. Number 5. Eagle. A small, affluent city just outside of Boise, Eagle offers a high quality of life with a small town feel. With a population of 32,912. Number 6. Ketchum. Nestled in the mountains of central Idaho, Ketchum is a mecca for skiing, hiking, and other outdoor activities. With a population of 2,779. Number 7. Moscow. Home to the University of Idaho, Moscow is a vibrant college town with a strong sense of community. With a population of 26,344. Number 8. Sandpoint. Located in the northern part of the state, Sandpoint offers stunning scenery and outdoor activities, as well as a growing arts and culture scene. With a population of 8,539. Number 9. Pocatello. Situated in southeastern Idaho, Pocatello is known for its low cost of living, access to outdoor recreation, and growing economy. With a population of 56,637. Number 10. Rexburg. Home to Brigham Young University, Idaho, Rexburg is a small but thriving college town with a strong sense of community. With a population of 30,705. Thank you for watching. Please comment below on the best city to live in your state.